we are at Noteboom RV giving you a tour of a pre-owned Forest River Cardinal 26. This is a pre-owned fifth wheel. As you can see, the awning is in really great shape for this unit. And as you can see, it does have a really large slide here on the right side of the unit. Plenty of space on the inside, as we'll see in just a second. And like I said, let's go take a look inside the pre-owned Cardinal. Inside the pre-owned Forest River Cardinal here, as you can see, there's a nice lounge chair off to the side towards the entrance here. Extra storage above that. Nice little entertainment center here. Stereo. And then off to the side here, do have a 3-person couch and some storage right above that as well. Towards the back of the unit here, we do have some more storage above the dinette. As you can see, we do have a 4-person booth dinette. Storage right below that as well. And this does convert to a sleeper bed. Plenty of storage here in the back of this unit. Pantry storage, cabinet storage, all that's located here in the back of the unit. Deep bowl kitchen sink. You have a 3-burner stove, microwave, and we do have some storage right above the refrigerator and freezer as well. And here we have a mid-bath, standard foot flush toilet, stand-up shower, glass door, skylight above the toilet and above the shower as well. Plenty of natural light in here. And then we do have some additional bathroom storage and a mirror in there as well. Right across the hall from the bathroom, we do have some more drawer storage and a linen closet with the clothing rack inside as well. Over here we have our sink and medicine cabinet. And this is all located right across from the bathroom. Additional storage below the sink. And this leads us right into the front master bedroom. Plenty of storage here in the front master bedroom. Storage right above the bed and off to the sides as well. This is a queen bed in this unit. And once again, this is the pre-owned Forest River Cardinal fifth wheel, available now at Noteboom RV and noteboomrv.com. And that is the entire tour of the pre-owned Forest River Cardinal. We hope to see you soon.